अब तू कुछ बोलेगी भी?
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Oh please, I know already, okay? My every performance is breathtaking.
I know, but I think audience can see most of your wonderful sense of style. So let's begin the actual show.
Why not? So ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for has arrived. It's time to add a dash of glamour to our annual function with a much anticipated ramp walk with a special guest tonight.
Get ready to witness a fusion of style, poise, and confidence as our talented participants walk down the runway with grace.
Tonight's ramp walk is not just play of outfit or fashion. It's a celebration of individuality and expression. Each step is a statement and each outfit tells a story. So let's dim the light, turn up the music, and let the runaway come alive with the charm and charisma of our participants. Ladies and gentlemen, let the ramp walk begin!
We put out the feathers for this type of weather. She put it a club to bust up a dub. She came with a man, I called in the sub. She giving all hits, we know about the mud. She put in my hand, don't know what it was. She knows some of the fam, but don't know enough. My trust is in the God we trust. Sipping on water, don't do touch. She got her own fan, she need her buzz. Might give her a chance, it's giving her. Out of the trance, it's giving her. Nigga with hands, it's giving her. Nigga with pants, it's giving her. A nigga with plans, it's giving her. Still in the gym, ain't the damn plans. I like it for real, they giving up. Like they not that you real, they give it up. Like if you got the still, they give it up. Taking these M's, they giving us. And running the field like it's 10 of us. Clearing shit out like an animal. I made this shit look like a cinema. Take off the top, baby, let's ride. On with my dog, I pick the side. She want the boss, the one on the track. I love the track, yeah. I'm like the one that just throw it when we ride. I make it come straight, wheel in the tide. Put 20 hoes on the boat till they tied. Ain't right young, you know you need me, my nigga. Just keep this shit real, don't you cram with your song. Who else woke up the city like us when it rains? A thunderstorm. I party in Shaba in New York and LA, where they keep on going to the Shaba. 200K when I'm on. She looking out down my chest. I told her I ain't trying, they call me sis. It ain't no dough, I put these rats in. Yeah, if you my hoe, I call you sis. Got LA shit so bad it's dangerous. I bet that in the night she tryna tame her. She got Paris manners and it's so dangerous. Giving up, a nigga with plans is giving up. Still in the gym, ain't do damn plans. I like it for real. real, they give it up. I can know that you real, they give it up. Like if you got the still, they give it up. Taking these M's, they giving us. And running, I feel like it's 10 of us. Clear this shit out like an animal. I made this shit look like a cinema. Take off the top, baby, let's ride.
And here he comes! A proud Sankalpian, carving a niche in the modeling world. Give him a huge round of applause! A successful model and a national ambassador of Mr. India Globe, Subham Mandara!
I party in shower in New York and LA, but they keep on going to the gun shower. 200K when I'm on. She looking out down my chest. I'm like, yeah. I told her ain't trying to call me sex. It ain't no dough, I put the racks in. Yeah. If you my hoe, I call me sexy. Yeah. Got LA shit so bad it's dangerous. I bet that in the night she tried to tame her. She got Paris manners and it's so dangerous. I move so far in time. I move so far in time. I've been whipped up in night. I've been whipped up in whip my fists up in dry. I've been whipped up in time.